Hello, this is Jake. Today we're gonna learn how to create new issue types. So first, you'll start in your right-hand corner, hit the gear icon, and then go down to the Issues tab. And here you'll see a list of all of the issues that currently exist within your Jira instance. If you click that Add Issue Type, you can name the issue type whatever you want to. I'm going with an initiative. It's always a good practice to put a description in there. So I'm going to put something that describes what that field is. For me, an initiative is going to be the top of our hierarchy, where you can have one or more features and multiple epics. Click Add, and you'll see Initiative came there. If you go to the three dots on the right-hand side, you can select that and choose Edit. And here you can select an icon for your issue type. Any icon will do. Click Update, and now you see the new initiative type with the arrow icon that we selected. Now if I want to create where this issue type is in the hierarchy, then I'll need to create levels in the hierarchy. And in my project, I've already created an issue type called feature, and a feature will be the parent of an epic. So I type the name of my level, add what kind of issue type, and then for the top of my hierarchy, I will input initiative and select the initiative issue type. Once I've done that, I'll save changes. It'll take a second to apply those changes, but boom, now you've created a new hierarchy. Now you'll notice if I go to create and I expand this, my new issue types aren't there. So we'll cover how to get new issue types into your project to be able to be created in the next video. Thank you.